Kachiel ka ne chuny boma ma Nairobi, wasewinjo pachi jo Nairobi. Ka wadhi nyime en ni duol makedo gi yedhe mamero ji NACADA oketho kendo puko oko kuong ma ok opuodhi miuso mahayo lita 40,000 e chiro ma Pap Onditi e kaunti ma Kisumo. Kendo bende ne gindhiyo ji 2 mitudo gi ohala no. E kinde apedhano, NACADA katiyo kanyakla kod obila nomako lita 200 mag kuong manoseik dhi e chiro, lita 5,000 mag molasses kod malo lita 35 mar kuong manosechak losi to pok oikore. NACADA nosingo nok gibi e ngang mondo mi kuong ma ok opuodhi mondo chopi ir jopiny, kachi ji 2 manondhi e odinegi tesend obila ma Sondu Miriu ka igeno machwalo gi e doho bang'e no.
2,000 liters of changa, and then we have 3,500 kangara and more than 200 jerrycans and drums were destroyed. And that right now we have 2 suspects and they are booked in Pap Onditi police station, and some were missing, some ran away.
And today we are here in Kisumu County, Nyakach sub-county, where we were leading a multi-agency operation against illicit brews, where we managed to arrest some suspects within villages in the sub-county. And the multi-agency team comprised of NACADA, the National Police Service, and members of the National Government Administration officers. And it is part of the Rapid Results Initiative that was given by the Cabinet Secretary for Interior, Honorable Kipchumba Murkomen, that within 100 days we should have operations that are targeted towards illicit brews and drug abuse in the country. So NACADA is living up to its mandate, and the suspects will be apprehended in court and they will be arraigned to face the full force of the law.